Hi everyone, it's Theme Thursday at Suzanne's Babies, and I've got 6 of my babies ready for Theme Thursday, and I've got 3 of the girls in pink, and we'll start with those. Ginny is wearing a lovely Bowden corduroy dress that's got deer on it, because let me see if I can just zoom in on Ginny. There she is. It's got lovely deer on it, and some of the deer do have to stay awake to make sure that the whole herd is safe, so we're including deer. And she's got a white headband and white socks on to match with their tummies, because they've got white tummies. And next to her you've got Emma Esther, and she's in a green outfit, and that's got a dungaree with white deer on it and the lovely green cardigan with the frilly edge, and she's laughing at something that's going on over there. I don't know what's going on, we'll see in a minute. And then little Alice is wearing a pink and white striped dress with little bunnies on the pockets, and she's got the pink cardigan on that's got the bunny on one side and the bird on the other side, because I expect bunnies are out feeding at night, because the predators get them sometimes, unfortunately, don't they? Let me just lighten you up a bit. But there's little Alice, and she's got pink socks on, and behind her is Leslie Carroll, who's got that lovely dungaree set on that Auntie Holly sent, and that's got black cats on. And as we all know, cats love to go out at night and roam around and catch mice and all sorts of things, so you have to be, I think they would be included as nocturnal. We've got Mr. Fox out, because of course foxes are nocturnal, and Archie wanted to take part. He's still in that really cute outfit. And then next to him we have little Edward, and let me just show you Edward. Try not to squeak you too much. And he's got this lovely sleeper on, a cream one, and that has got hedgehogs on, because of course hedgehogs are out at night. In fact, we get a lot in our garden, and Chloe's often out there barking at them, although she has got used to them more now. But that's my babies for Theme Thursday. I hope you're all keeping well, and I'm hoping that you're all going to have a good day today. I think we might be going out later, so I'm going to try and upload this now, and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care. Mwah. Love you, ladies and gentlemen.